Thank you. So you'll go from orange to lime green on the other side. Okay. And I'm going to talk the whole way around. Squeeze the brake pedal. Squeeze the brake pedal and squeeze this and pull straight back. And go ahead and pull out. Let's go ahead and pull out. And we're going to go up right behind the Dodge Charger. So I'm going to talk the whole way around to help show you where the cones are. In fact, that's why I have your mirrors. I just want you looking straight ahead. Okay? Yep. I'm going to show you what cones to look at, and there's examples. There's your double yellow lift. There's your red for braking. Orange is your turn in, and we go from the orange to the green. Those are all the examples. The one thing I really, and again, I'm going to point them out to you. So the one thing I really want you to remember, 3 feet away from either side of the track. You were out there in the lead car. You saw those big old curves. You can pull up closer to them. Yeah, let's get right behind them because we want to make some room for the cars behind us. We'll set a gap as we get out there. There we go. Perfect. So stay 3 feet away from either side simply because those curbs will damage these cars. Okay. And that would just be no bueno. No. So we'll stay away from that. If we have a slower car ahead of us and we have to pass, I will help facilitate that. I may even put my hand over here, but I'm not taking the wheel from you, David, so don't let go. Okay. The key is don't pass anybody until I tell you it is safe to do so. Gotcha. Okay, and I'll tell you where to pass and all that stuff. Yep. If we have an instructor or a really fast car behind us, I'll help get us out of the way. I'll let him go. We'll go back to our things. This is about your drive. Don't worry about anybody else's speed. Okay. This is about what you want to do. So don't sweat it. We're gonna have a good time. Did you have a specific goal in mind, like anything you came here to accomplish?
Nope, just having fun.
Then that's what we're gonna do. Yep. Follow the Charger. Because that's the lead car, we're gonna stay right. This gap is perfect. Just a couple car lengths. We're gonna stay right with them. As they get out there, if they go faster than you're comfortable with, then let them go. Okay, because I want you to stay with where you're comfortable. I'm gonna help guide you, but don't go anything more than you're comfortable with. Okay. So we're ready to go. I got David with me. I'm Steve. GT3 RS, New Hampshire Motor Speedway. Gorgeous morning. You picked a good day. It's going to rain tomorrow. You picked a good day.
Got lucky.
And you know what? We're going to have an awesome time on this thing. So head on out. You'll follow that Charger. And there's a braking cones up here. You'll see where the Charger pulls out. We'll follow in right behind them. And once we get out, I'll start pointing cones out to you. Treat the gas and the pedal like a dimmer switch. Don't not you go in and out, in and out. First cone's your green cone. And you can start to accelerate. Look for the orange cone on top of the wall. See it? Accelerate. You can, there you go. Yeah, you're fine. That's good. You're good. Look for the double yellows. That's where your left cone's going to be. And I want you to try the brakes really hard. Just hard. There you go. I want you to see what we're capable of so that when we go really fast, you know what to do. Orange to the green over here. Good. And more towards the left. There you go. That bump's bad over here. And start accelerating from the orange to the green. You can start to accelerate. That's it. I love it. You're nice and smooth. That's it. The engine kicks down. That's okay. I like how smooth going. Up and over the hill. Smoothly braking in a straight line right towards that orange cone. At that orange cone, look at the green at the bottom of the hill. Excellent. Now let's start looking at the orange cone at the top of the hill. See it where the Charger is? Start to accelerate. Good job. Excellent. The green's over here on your side. Now look for the green on mine. There'll be 2 more green on my side. So we'll kind of hug over to the right. Good. Brake in a straight line towards your orange cone. Straight out. That's it. That's exactly right. Lift off the brake. Smooth turn in. That's good. I like your turn in. Smooth. Good. Down the hill. Just a touch. You don't need much brake at all. Just a touch. There you go. Turn in. Nice and smooth. Start to accelerate towards the double yellow. Yeah, there you go. Nice and smooth as you unwind the wheel. Good. Lift. You don't need the brake here. Just coast from orange to green. And just a touch. Barely a brake. Just touch. Go from orange to the green over here. And you can start to roll into the throttle. Yep. Be smooth. Stay away from that curve. That curve's really bad. Smoothly accelerate. Keep on going. You got it. You're okay. You're good. You're good. As the wheel unwinds, as hard as you want to go. Love it. Orange cone. Green is right there on top of the blue and white. I love your smoothness. Orange and white. Green on this side. Good. Green over here. Have you performance driven before?
No.
Damn, you're good.
Sim racing.
That's it. Orange over to double yellow. I knew there was something. Brake hard. This is a hard U-turn. Harder. This is a hard U-turn. Orange to green. Good. Smoothly pick up that throttle from orange to green. Then you can start outing. Just be smooth. Be smooth. Good. Keep going. Now you're really digging it. Good. Yeah, you're okay. You're good. Green, as long as you're being smooth, you're good. Green, over here, green. Now you can really pick up some throttle to the green over here. Good. Now, good brakes in a straight line. Good. Orange to the green. Yes. Because even though in sim race, if you're braking it not in a straight line, the car gets squirrely.
Yep.
Just touch the brake down here and start to accelerate towards the double yellow. Good. Good. Now lift. You don't need the brake here. Just go from orange to green. Now you're just going to touch the brake. That's it. There you go. Orange to green. And stay tighter left this time and start to accelerate, start to accelerate, start to accelerate. Go. Yeah, go. Just be smooth around the corner. Just be smooth around the corner. Now, unwind the wheel and go. Brake, up, brake. Smooth. Good. Orange. Green over here. Green over here. Green over here. Yes. Green over here. Orange on top of the wall. Start accelerating and go low and double yellow. Yeah, there we go. I need good hard brake here. Real hard. Slam on. Good. Orange to green. Orange again. Smooth here. This is where the car can really get upset. Gentle. One, you want to go. Now go. Yeah. Yeah. Good for the brake. Good. Down the hill. And that's the key to turn 3 back there. Smooth on the pedal until the wheel gets straight, because it really unloads the car back there. Orange to green. To the green. And just stay with the charger. Stay with the charger. The GT4 is going to let us go in a second. That's the charger's pass. Wait for them. And now it's your pass. Go ahead. Easy. Yeah. Good. Okay. Yep. And just touch on the brake. And we're going to follow the charger. Fantastic. Follow that charger. We're going to pull in right where the charger's going. I knew there was something you've done.
Yeah.
I knew there was something. All right. You're going to follow, and he's going to point you where to stop. Go up here basically to where he's pointing to.
That was amazing.
Yep, right there. Move over a little bit, move over a little bit. He's going to take your picture. So pull up a little bit, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, stop. He's going to have you pull your face lock down for some pictures.
Perfect. Thank you.
Thank you.